Effective Publicity Using Media by David Ewan of Forest Academy. The topics we'll cover are the following: difference between marketing and publicity, the marketing formula and strategy, and publicity, resources, and media communication. Here's the difference between marketing and publicity. Marketing is what is said or written to the customer or client. Publicity is the delivery of the marketing content. Sales is marketing plus publicity. Sales is marketing planning first, followed by publicity. An example is the ad in a newspaper, which is marketing. The delivery of the newspaper to the community is publicity. The buying action of a customer or client resulting from the ad in the newspaper is sales. This course talks about both marketing and publicity. A marketing expert with clients consisting of Fortune 500 companies was in agreement with me that many organizations fail in sales goals because they do not know how to sell. The reason is that they meld marketing and publicity together for their sales efforts rather than focusing first on marketing and then publicity. By splitting up the big beast of sales into smaller pieces of marketing and publicity, it is easier to focus on the mission, goal, and objective of each. The individual completion of planning of marketing, followed by publicity, makes for an effective sales plan.